Did COVID impact your cleaning protocols? Introducing the ScripTouch SlimShield LCD, a signature pad easily disinfected with Clorox Healthcare Solutions. Scriptel is fully compatible with Epic, from Hyperspace to Hyperdrive. Migrating Scriptel to Hyperdrive? Just install our plugin. That's it, you're done. Our plug-and-play USB connection delivers session roaming. This eliminates restarts when pads are moved between stations. Get started now. With no COM ports, our pads work alongside the competition. No need for a rip and replace migration. Save money today by phasing in Scriptel only when you need to. Details and pricing can be found on our website.